Why you ain't sub yet? Huh? Why you ain't sub? Subscribe. Subscribe. Okay, cool. Anyway, it's your boy KT back with a video, bro. Yesterday I wasn't dropping that much. Today I'm dropping like draws. Yeah, dropping like panties. Like your baby mama panties. Dropping. Drop. If I had that black ice, bro, feel me? Like, who barber better than mine? Let's talk about it. Anyway, I'm trolling. Let's get into the video, bro. I hope everybody keeping God first, staying blessed, staying prayed up. Feel me? Staying consistent, staying motivated. And keeping all negativity away. I don't care if it's your kid, bro. Push the negativity away. Let's get into the video. Like, comment, sub. In that order. Like, comment, subscribe.
Stolen Chevy Silverado to an AutoZone parking lot in Atlanta, Georgia. Backup units arrived and officers tried to block the truck from leaving, but things didn't go as planned. When the
Whoa! Is he at an AutoZone parking lot speeding like that, twin?
From leaving, but things didn't go as planned.
Bro, first off, I ain't gonna lie, bro. When you get in the way, the first thing you using is your eyes, right? So I hop in the car. Why would you go right here? Why would you go right here, bro? I mean, if it was me in this truck, I would have hit over this. Like, bro, what? You going through traffic? You see that lady? Bro, come on, bro. This person's finna get hit. He don't even see this car speeding at him, bro. Head is under the hood, bro.
When the suspects saw the police vehicles, they floored it, nearly colliding with another unit and opened fire on officers.
Okay, he got space. But I ain't gonna lie, it's bro fault right here. He worked for AutoZone, but he has no sense of awareness, right? So we really can't be mad at bro. Like, he trying to get away, so you need to be aware of like what's going on, bro. So actually, it's not on bro. What is you doing, twin? Why you over here looking around like you finna get back in the car?
Radio, we got shots fired. Shots fired, radio. Vehicle's going eastbound.
Why are you chasing a truck? Get in your car, bro. Why are you chasing him?
Westbound on Cascade. Yeah. Radio, they 41, Cascade and Beecher. Cascade and Beecher.
Cascade and Beecher, need units to start to Cascade and Beecher. Cascade and Beecher, need units to start that long way.
Oh, how? Come on, bro. Is he going? Was this like one way? No, it's not a one-way road, bro. What are you doing over here in the garage? Oh, I read the title. It say teens shoots at cop. It's a teen. Come on, LeBro. All that GTA practice, bro. You should have spit that mother.
Hey, radio, Star SWAT out here. Star SWAT. Shots fired over here. Is there anybody who can go through there? Yeah. Hey, there's no way in. They're stuck in there. Hey, they're still.
She running. Why is she running? Go that way.
Hey, yeah, they're inside.
Oh, they hit this car right here. Dang.
Hey, get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Hey, bitch, you're gonna get shot. You better get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. I swear to God.
Hey, bro, he's not scared. I like officers that ain't scared, bro. Bro is scared, bro. Bro is not scared of me.
Get the fuck out! Get the fuck out! Get the fuck out!
DeAndre, oh, you on?
Yeah, come on, hold it.
Oh, now we're gonna say open these for me. I got some more. Open those because I wanna make cameras.
Skip forward. I'm not cutting.
First, I thought I had to have 300, but you know what's coming because I know you went through. Here's the other one. I know you went to the dishes and got. Okay, you know before you got the nail, okay. You know how you got the at first. I went and did my hole. So she said today.
Where the batteries?
Oh, here they are. Today I have to go in. It's something about some kind of plastic that came back. I guess to see if they.
Wrong batteries.
Hold up. What?
You need those.
Oh my goodness. Oh
Yeah, I'm pretty
man.
sure you need those.
That's
Oh,
a
yeah.
C. Do it say C?
2C1B.
2C1B. Oh my goodness.
2C 1.5V.
Oh man.
They both the same, so
2C1B.
you're gonna need the fat batteries. Alright, we back. Hold on, let's get to it. Huh? Who? I'm back, bro. I don't know how I'm gonna cut this out, bro. But if y'all seen what happened, like, to y'all, it's probably like 2 seconds ago. To me, that was about like 15 minutes ago, bro. I hit my toe on this, bro. I hit my thumb toe on it. Let's get into it though. I don't even know where what was happening. Can I go back for a little bit? Y'all ain't gonna trip. Appreciate that, chat. So I said chatter fam. Appreciate that, fam. Cause y'all ain't no chat. It's kind of disrespectful to call y'all chat. Like, what up, chat? What up, fam? Y'all family. This is family. This is. Y'all ain't no chat. Y'all ain't random. Y'all family. We gonna conduct it as that. So, KT fam. What up, KT fam? It's your boy KT. That's what I'm gonna start saying now. Thanks to one of the subs. That one of my subs. Hold on, I don't care, y'all. You know this KT Uncut. One of my subs. Ain't responding to these. Hold on, fam. Oh, why not? And people that be coming like this, man. Oh, why not? You know, you gotta just. I like to reply to comments. Hold on, y'all. Let's just get forward. $3 months, 1 month. Okay, boom. Who was it? Who? Boom. Right here. I'm gonna call y'all fam instead of chat, like she said. That's E Sims. You know what I'm saying? Make sure appreciate that E Sims. Ooh, why you have 2 mic settings on the running? I don't know. Does that my mic settings still sound the same or what? Let me know, bro. Let's get back to the video. I know y'all, it's probably gonna be a 30-minute video, but you know. Hey, that other officer's still yelling crazy. Oh. Bro, they were trying to get in the. Why they ain't lay down up there? I would have laid flat. Bro, you heard they screaming at them, dude? They never should have. Bro, you gonna shoot at the police? You say call him a bitch? Bro, they fed up, bro. Can't even blame them, bro. They took him on a chase. They got shot at. Somebody shoot at me, I'm definitely coming down your ass. Like, listen.
You better crawl.
Dang. He could have broke his hip slamming him right there on the tire.
You better crawl.
Oh.
Get your ass up here now.
You get 350 and I get 184. But I just gave 1,000.
Lay on your fucking face. Lay on your fucking face. Get the fuck up. Watch out. Jump. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. That's just you two. Get the fuck up. You want to shoot at us? You stupid. Hold on.
Yeah, I don't see you now. Yes, you do.
Here's that.
Guys, are you ready? Let's try to catch it. Let's try to beat you in there.
Right here. Cascade and Dollar General. Here.
Gives you about 2 campaign to beat you for the point.
Yeah, apron. Get it.
Put your hands out. 3, 4, 6, 7, something like that.
They dumb. He being all aggressive, like ain't nothing even happened to this officer though. Nothing happened to you, bro. You ain't got hit. Nothing happened to you, bro. You been aggressive for what?
No, he gonna take it.
They life gone, boy. They're inside the police. They gone.
I'ma check it. And shut your mouth.
Who is he? You think he's doing this big one for what? He ain't doing no. You think he's doing this big one, bro? Slamming and swiping. I would have elbowed him still. I mean, I'm already done for. You tossing me like this, bro? I'm going to say something to you. it's gonna get way worse. Like I already shot at y'all boys and I ran out. Like, why not just push the limit? Why not?
Any injuries?
Ma'am, you heard her injury? Alright, ma'am. We got an elderly female. She's alert, conscious, and breathing. I got her right here. She's just shaking up. Start at 4, please. You okay?
Receive.
Breathe in through your nose.
Elderly female.
Breathe in through your nose. And out through your mouth.
No, that's sad.
Breathe in
Oh,
through your nose.
she probably in shock.
And out through your mouth.
Just came out of
I know.
nowhere. It's just nowhere.
It's not your fault, baby.
It's just nowhere. Oh, Lord Jesus.
You're okay. You're okay. You're okay.
Oh, Lord, I got to call my
Breathe in
husband.
through your nose. And out through your mouth.
And call your husband. You should be call your husband, Grandma.
Just nowhere.
Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth, man. I'm glad you're okay. I'm glad you're okay. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Okay, breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Grady, you got the ETA on Grady?
I'm on the line with him now.
Make sure you're not hurt. You're probably gonna feel it tomorrow. Hope for any other unit coming out.
Any other?
I'm glad you're okay.
Receive. Okay, so you guys are 41 Alpha.
You're such a good friend.
Hey, from Cascade and Beecher, we got 4.
One of the officers at the scene recognized one of the suspects.
Yeah, East Point her. He just got out. His mom was.
Send mom's home, but we'll wait till we get to the precinct. We'll make all the phone calls.
Yeah, he's 83.
We'll take him. And then that's what we'll take him.
He did 2 years at Metro YDC.
Oh,
Hey, watch out.
she's gonna take a picture real quick. Hey, what case are you on me? I'm gonna draw.
We're gonna do the zone. No, we're gonna do a whole new case number.
Oh, no, for the 41.
Yeah, because we have new charges.
I'm too much for the 41 though.
Just use this one. We're gonna use every. Yep.
Oh, everything the same.
You just got out. I watched you celebrate with your mom at Metro YDC. Come on, man. I thought you weren't gonna be back. I literally watched you celebrate with your mom.
Dang, that's crazy.
I know where you at.
Shut up.
Literally watched him celebrate. He did 2 years at Metro.
You did?
Yeah.
For what?
Ag assault. Robbery.
You don't fucking learn, man.
Yep.
Officers searched the vehicle but were unable to find a gun inside. Shortly after, officers located a gun inside the damaged building.
Right here. Yeah. Right there. Well, that's a 40?
She's a woman.
You guys just put it in the car for now? I think we have the bullet hole. Just rip it.
You think so?
Yeah.
Unless we have like a firearm or something. Yeah, let me take them bolts out real quick and then we can pull it off.
There you go.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Right here. Hold on. Let me take a picture first.
It's right here. It's right here.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
Right here.
There it is.
What was the gun, a 9?
Yeah, the owner was not here. I already made contact with the owner. I didn't know if y'all were able to get video footage from the gas station out there. See, we have 2 in custody. Yeah, you want to see?
Yeah, let's look through it, see if we can find something.
Both suspects were taken to Atlanta Police Headquarters, where one of the suspects' mothers came to speak with her son.
He not even looking her in her face. That boy wrong for what he did, boy. His mama already know.
All right, you want to tell your mom why you're here? Would you like to tell your mama why you're here?
So, when they came and woke you up out the bed, and I said, where you going? You just got off Zoom on court. I said, you can't wait 1 more day to get your decision in school? What I asked? I said, they call hot. What I say? I ain't know. They told me. So why would you get your dumb ass in it? You just got out. You've been locked up 3 years. I was just going to the store.
It ain't no science knowing the people you hang out with are hands in hot boxes.
Listen, before you just said that, I'm just about to say, the judge said this today. People, places, and things. Be careful of the people you hang with, the places you go to, and the things that get you in trouble. That's the last thing she said. That was the last thing.
You at court today?
Yeah,
And you don't learn.
He had court today.
Being hot box like that, like
He had court today. Went in the back room, laid down. I started.
How can you say you don't be in a hot box and you were in one?
Well, I didn't know that truck was a hot box.
Come on, man. It's a
Why you
fucking
take
nice ass truck. You mean to tell me?
You don't know, like, mom, like,
Oh, man.
I would never make nobody talk no hot box
Okay.
on the
Let your
job.
mom finish talking.
So I mean, he laid down. I thought he was asleep, and they came in. Then I seen him put his skull cap on. I said, "Where the hell you going?" He said, "I'll be right there." I said, "You just got out of court. Remember what she said?" And I didn't look, but I knew it was 2 of them. So y'all wasn't trying to walk no back down. So I said, "I know y'all ain't got no hot box. Hell no, burn no hot box in front of your house."
Hot box is a hot car. Not that they hot boxing in a car. It's a hot car.
Okay, but like you did all that for this time you've been out, going to the classes, going to this, doing that.
I did not know that, mom. You know,
Yeah, so tell mom what happened. Tell her that's only the one story she knows. She don't know what else happened.
we had got to a wreck down the street, a big wreck before that.
All right, so this is what happened, okay? So car was taken from zone 3 at a
He guilty. He guilty. You know what happened, bro? You been locked up 2-3 years, bro. The next day you get out, look where you at.
gas station, right? 4 males inside a car. Jump out from Whitehall and north side. There's a gas station right there. They break the window. They jump in it. Okay. One of the guys end up getting in it and end up coming down here to the AutoZone. Well, lucky enough, the owner was tracking it. So when we pulled up, them 2 seen us. They take off. Your son had a gun and ended up shooting out the window, which ended up shooting through.
Not shoot out
Which
no window. I did not shoot no down.
which ended up. You gonna let me talk?
No, sorry, man.
Okay. So my partner seen you with the gun. There's a bullet hole in the door, and the same bullet matches the gun y'all threw inside.
Big hole. First of all,
They ended up quiet.
I'm sorry.
They ended up taking off down the street. They smacked into an old lady coming through the intersection. And you know right where Cascade Beach is, that there's a big brick establishment. They just missed the break and went right through the doors and crashed.
She's not playing. You ain't got no black mama, bro. Feel me? So when you see how she looked back and his head dropped, look, bro. His mama don't play that, but she still play that. But she don't. Look at the odds. Boom. Eye contact. He's still looking. So you looking? She like, what? Look at his face. She like, come on, bro.
What do you want me to do at this point? I've been backing you. I've been supporting. I mean, but when I questioned you, like you normally do, you should have turned your ugly ass around and went back in the room. Fighting temptations. That's what we've been talking about. That's what those classes are about. I don't know why I went wrong with this. But I do my best.
Hey, you gotta.
I do my best.
Your mom cares about you. Look at him.
She do.
Look what his mom did.
Thanksgiving is coming up, man.
You should feel bad.
You talking about stop, mom, bro? What do you mean stop? You should have stayed in there. She's hurt, bro. You spent how old, bro? Like 17. So he's been gone probably since he was 15, 14. 14, he spent 2 years, 16 now. He's not getting out to about 20, bro.
It doesn't matter. It's the fact that you were just in jail, man.
Yes.
You were just in jail for what? For what? What were you in jail for? For what? For what?
Yeah, bro, I would have grabbed her. See? Put your face down, bro. Like, what you doing all this for? Like, you in shame. You wasn't shameful when you blew that bit. You weren't shameful when you go stole. You weren't feeling this. Nah, bro, tweaking.
Pray, and I'm gonna keep praying.
I wish they would listen.
It's not the
689 AutoZone. 804 Cascade.
It's not the
Who owns 804?
They're looking up.
69. Thank you.
How many brothers and sisters you got?
He's number 5 of 11.
5 of 11. You got younger ones, right?
And they at home crying like hell.
And they probably look up to you.
Love them. That's all I can say to them. For him to come home. This is a stepping stone to learning experience. It's not the end, so don't think.
I hope you learn from this. Because you know if I see you again, I ain't gonna have to talk to you.
Yeah, I mean, what was
You getting the ones, right? So you want to take the cake? You want the cake? No.
It's Gonzo. Gonzo.
Alright, you need to say anything else for mom? Mom, okay.
You got her phone number, so
I have all her info right there.
Your mom been there?
Mom don't want to come. I'm not gonna lie to her.
She don't want to come out here. My dad came to the crime scene. I was like, oh.
The driver was charged with obstruction, aggravated assault, possession of tools to commit a crime, second-degree criminal damage to property, interference with government property, theft by receiving stolen property, improper lane change, driving with a suspended license, failure to stop at a red light, hit and run, reckless driving, and fleeing police.
But when I seen this, I thought this was just a paragraph like him talking, bro. This is all his charges. Or the driver. That's the driver. He's the passenger, right? Okay. The driver, he's cooked. Driver's cooked.
The passenger was charged with obstruction, possession of a firearm during the commission of a felony, 2 counts of
He's smiling. He's cooked.
aggravated assault, reckless conduct, and theft by receiving stolen property. Both suspects were booked at the Fulton County Jail.
Hey, who found that?
Glasses.
Where at?
It was behind the freezer, close to the Cascade side. So if you're looking into the building, it goes
On the right hand side?
Yeah, all the way up.
Behind all that shit, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That's crazy. That should be a lesson to hopefully all the YNs. I know if you're not an MYN, Mature young nigga. You gotta start being an MYN. Stop being a YN crashing out, bro. It's not cool. That is not cool, bro. Mama crying and hurt, bro. Feel me? This probably was a long video, 41 minutes. Oops. From an 18-minute video, I made it 41 minutes. Maybe it's because I did cut, like I did leave the camera running when I hit my toe and fell on the ground, all types of stuff. I'm gonna cut it out though, for real. Other than that, bro, make sure y'all boys like the video, subscribe, feel me, join the KT fam, bro. King Tommy, if you're a woman, QT, Queen Tommy, you feel? That's it, bro. Roll to 100K.